Today I'm going to show you how to use the broadcast blocks as a way of triggering events in a Scratch game. So I'll just play this game here, and it starts with the butterfly, and basically the butterfly will send a message after it's done all the things it needs to do, and then that message will then trigger these other sprites to show because they're hiding when the game starts, and then do their thing. So let's just play it and see what happens. So I click on the green flag. It says press space. And then my bug appears and says hello. And then it says click on me. And then when I click on the bug, something else appears. And it's using the broadcast blocks so that it sends messages to these different animals to appear and reappear as the game continues. So it's actually quite easy to make this game. So I'm just going to save this and start a new game so you can see how this works. I'll add a background. Let's just do blue sky for the moment. And yep, beautiful. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll start my game and I'll have my, when the event block, when the green flag is pressed, Scratch Cat will say hello. He might meow, and then I'll get him to go into events and send a message. So broadcast message 1. And what will happen is when he sends this message, I'll get a second character, say this person, to appear. So when the game starts, this particular person is not showing, he's hiding. But when he receives the message from Scratch Cat, I'll get him to show. And then he might switch costume. So let's try it. So I press on my green flag. So looking at Scratch Cat's code, he says hello, and then he sends a message. So you don't actually see the message. It's kind of like a secret message or a whisper. And he whispers this message 1. And when this character receives message 1, he appears and then he changes his costume. Now, say I wanted to add more characters like this to appear and reappear as they receive the secret messages. I'll pick my sprite. So let's go with Ben. And I'll set it up so that when the game starts, so when the green flag is pressed, Ben is hiding. So I go into looks and I make sure he's hiding. And then I'll get this particular character to send a message. So going back into events, I get a broadcast message and I change message 1 to new message, and I'll just change the name to hey. So now this character is going to say hey. And then when we go into Ben and we tell Ben, when you receive hey, I want you to show and then do something, maybe move 10 steps. Okay, so when the game starts, we don't see Ben. He will only appear when he gets the whisper from the Anya character. So let's press the green flag to see how this game works. So press on the green flag, Scratch Cat, he meows, he sends the message. Then this particular character appears. I might actually get him to just wait because it's happening very, very, very quickly. So in my control, I'll change the wait to 10 seconds before he sends the message. So let's try it again. Now he's waiting 10 seconds, then he sends the hey, and then Ben will appear after 10 seconds. There he is. And that's how you use the broadcast blocks.